Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this old Hollywood glamorous hair tutorial for you. I am not a hair person, but you know, I'm here for the ride if you are. So when I was finished putting this look together, I put on my makeup and my hair was finally how it was supposed to be, and I put on my outfit. I was just like, I just felt so beautiful. Like, it is so pretty, and I hope that anyone who does this hair feels the same exact way, because that's how it makes me feel. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up as well. If you want to learn how to do this hair tutorial, then please keep watching.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hi guys, so before we get started on this tutorial, I just wanted to mention how insecure I am about my skin right now, so please bear with me. Right now, I'm just going to be smoothing out my hair with my hairbrush, making sure it is really smooth. I'm then going to be tying up the rest of my hair. We are going to be doing this in 3 sections, so only use what you need to be working on that bottom section. Okay, so before we actually start, the things you are going to need for this tutorial is a hair curler, hairspray, scrunchie to hold your hair up, half down, hair tie, whatever you're comfortable with. And then you are also going to need these little clip, all this hair is in here, little clip holders. These are for curls especially. I tried to do bobby pins the other week, and this was my first time doing the hair we're doing today when I did it with the bobby pins, and it didn't hold as much as I wanted it to. My hair is really thick and really heavy, so when I was pinning them up, some of them did stay to my scalp and then some of them were like hanging a little bit. So I found these little clips on Amazon for I think maybe $6 or $7, and it came with, I think there's like 60 in here. And if you need more than one to like hold each side, you can go ahead and use the 2 that you need for that one curl. So I think this is plenty for my head, but enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start the tutorial. So see you guys in a bit. All right, so I am splitting my hair up and I am using a 1-inch curling iron. You want to take your curler and you're going to start twisting those curls towards your face. Continue to follow the process by taking your curler, wrapping your hair towards the face, holding that curl for 20 to 30 seconds, dropping that curl and pinning it back up. Same process, curl it towards your face, hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, and that's okay if you drop it, just keep trying. And then once it's ready, you'll catch that curl and your hand will hurt and your shoulder, and then you'll pin that to your head. Again, curl towards your face, hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, catch that curl, and then you'll take that curl and pin it to your scalp. In between each section, you want to make sure you're spraying all that hair so it will hold. I'm just going to go ahead and speed up this section. The second layer is what we were doing in the beginning, just taking those pieces, curling them towards the face, catching the curl, and pinning it to the head. Okay, now we're on to section 3. This part is a little different. You want to take your hair and part it exactly how you want it. I went ahead and did a deeper part, so I just took my hair and placed it where I wanted it. Now I'm just brushing through and making sure everything is silky smooth. I am taking those back pieces and I am going to be curling them away from my head. You want to create as much height and volume as possible, so doing this, you're going to want to curl away from the head. So here I am just curling those pieces and pinning them up, making sure I look like a grandma, and I'm just curling them all the way back. Also, this side piece, it doesn't really matter what you do with it. It's going behind your ear, so if you curl it any way you want, it doesn't matter because no one's going to really see it, so that piece really doesn't matter. So curl it how you want. I just did it away from my face, and I just pinned that up so I could have a little bit of volume. So I created a lot of volume on top, and I hold that curl for 20 to 30 seconds, I catch it, and then I go ahead and pin it to my scalp. The fourth and final piece, this is the most important part. So I split this into 3 sections, and you're gonna wanna take those smaller pieces and you're gonna wanna curl it towards your face. You'll then again hold for the 20 to 30 seconds, catch that curl, and then pin it to your scalp as we were doing previously. Take that second piece, curl it towards your face. Hold, catch, and pin. Same with this piece, towards your face. Catch that curl and pin it to your head. Now that you look like a grandma, that is the final look. I'm just kidding. So now that you look super fancy, you're gonna let this sit for 20 to 30 minutes and you're gonna spray your whole head just so all of those curls stay in place. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do my makeup. Now that our makeup is all done, this part is the more challenging part. I found it a little bit troubling to get some of these curl holders out. I was kind of pulling at some baby hairs, so please be careful. if you are using these, I did snag a couple hairs and they did hurt. So be careful is what I'm pretty much saying. So as you're pulling out those holders, just toss your hair and make sure most of them are out. And you'll look like this. So cute. So go ahead, run your fingers through your hair, make sure all of those clips are out, and just start making sure none of the hair looks like it's in pieces. You want to make sure it looks blended together. Then you're going to need a teasing comb, and I am lightly brushing these curls out. Don't tug on them. You still want to have some bounce, but just lightly brush them out so it kind of looks like that old Hollywood glamorous hair we're going for. So this piece we are just going to tuck behind our ear just because no one really sees it, so that's not a big deal. This part is the main focus. So those 3 pieces we divided up earlier, go ahead and spray it with some hairspray and start giving yourself a good tease. I usually go back and forth between the front and the back, and I'm just trying to create as much height as I can get, and I'm just going up and down, up and down. Next, you'll take your second section and you'll do the same exact thing. Just tease, tease, tease. Give your hair that height it needs, and just flip it over to the other side when you're done giving it that tease. Third section, go ahead and give it one more good tease, front and back. So now that you have your tease and you did all that hard work, you want to take your tease comb and you just want to lightly start brushing that top piece all together as one. I'm not trying to destroy what I just built, but I just want to make sure you don't see what's underneath my hair, if that makes any sense. But just keep brushing through your hair. This is going to take a while to get it exactly how you want it. This probably took me about 10 or 15 minutes to just give it the look I was going for. Once you're done, you'll end up with something like this. Take some serum and just run it through your hair just so you don't have any flyaways and it looks a lot more smoother. If you want to get real fancy, you can go ahead and add some barrettes to that side piece. I went ahead and changed my barrette, but I did end up going with the circle one, which I love because I feel like more bigger pieces should really be a statement on that side of that head. I am curling that front piece just so it looks more together. And then I'm just going to go ahead and brush it out when I am finished. Give it one good last spray. And that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your guys' love and support. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and a comment down below. I will see you guys in 2021.